Hey guys, what's going on? Rob from ClicksGeek, and today I got a 30-day case study video for you for a residential home cleaning company who's been using our Google Ads services, and these are pretty awesome results for the last 30 days with a decent sized budget, but on the grand scheme of things, not too crazy. So anyone can really do this if you have a home cleaning business. It's pretty wild. Check out these results. All right, so I'm just gonna dive right in, guys. This is the last 30 days. Okay, this is March 20th to April 18th, 2023. This campaign has been with us now for a few months. So this is pretty much really dialed in. And again, it's a residential house cleaning client. They're spending $100 a day, Monday through Friday. So not a totally insane budget, right? For marketing budget for a company. So it's very modest, and you can get great results with a budget like this, especially in residential house cleaning. So in the last 30 days, they've gotten 180 clicks, about 1,800 impressions, 9.96% click-through rate, which is awesome. Anything above 5%, you're winning. Average cost per click is about $10, which is not too terrible, but really it's the cost per lead is what matters. Total cost all in that they spent in Google Ads for marketing is $1,974 in the last 30 days. They've gotten 40 inbound leads in the last 30 days, okay? So keep that in mind. This is a residential house cleaning company, people looking for maid services, stuff like that. So these clients that they're getting are usually recurring clients, okay? So month over month, this compounds. They're getting more recurring clients in the door. $49 per lead, right? So that's pretty awesome for home service in Google Ads. I'm sorry, for a residential home cleaning in Google Ads. Ideally, I'd like to get that down about 10 more bucks, and we will with time. Conversion rate, 22%, which is awesome. As you guys watch my videos, anything over 20%, I'm ecstatic with in Google Ads. Impression share top, which is one of the top 3 spots in Google search results, is 79%, which is great. Search impression share is 49%, so that's not great, but it's about, it's half of what the search volume is that we're going after, but we got to keep that a balancing act with our cost per lead, right? So we can get 100%, sure, no problem, but that cost per lead will go to $80. And that's just not sustainable. We want to keep that at 50 and under. So that's the high level overview stats the last 30 days. Now let's go into the ad groups, and I'll take you through to the keywords. All right, so we'll go into the ad groups. You'll see here we're using target CPA bidding strategy. We have that at $50 right now, and we'll continue to lower that down. So a lot of maid stuff, maid cleaning service, house cleaning services, house cleaning rates. I mean, these are great ad groups. House cleaning company. Then we have some geo ad groups, hire a housekeeper, right? So these are all, you can see all these are coming from right here. Looks like we don't really have much action down here, which is all of a bunch of just geo ad groups and hire a maid, which is surprisingly 19 impressions for that. So our biggest ad groups are house cleaning services and maid cleaning service. So these are awesome keywords to go after. If you are in this space, keep that in mind, right? These are recurring clients for the most part. All right, if we go into keywords, let's check that out. And here are our keywords we are going after. House cleaning services, phrase match and exact, it's all we do. So house cleaning services, 6 leads. Home maid cleaning service, 5 leads. Maid cleaning services, Manassas, which is a geo keyword, 5 leads. Maid cleaning services, 3 leads. Hire a housekeeper near me, right? It doesn't get more direct than that. Exact match, 2 leads. So you can see here, these are all the keywords that are driving us leads. Feel free to pause this video, take these keywords for yourself if you're trying to run this campaign. Just make sure that if you do that, that your ads are in line with your landing page and your keywords, okay? So if you're sending traffic from house cleaning services, make sure your ad talks about all the house cleaning services that you have, and make sure that goes to a landing page that talks about all the house cleaning services that you offer. Okay, it's really important. Believe it or not, it sounds simple, but people get that wrong, and then the conversion rates are dog shit because the message matches off and it just doesn't work. So keep that in mind. And if you scroll down, we'll see a couple more. We got some stragglers pulling in 1 lead. Cleaning service near me. Housekeeping services near me. So a lot of near me stuff. Those are great keywords. I'm actually kind of surprised hire a maid did not pull anything yet, but we'll get there. So great results, 30 days, 40 different sales opportunities for this client to close new clients. Now let's go into devices. I want to see if the traffic's coming from here. So it looks like majority of the leads are coming from cell phones, which is great. I want that. And it's actually cheaper per lead, $46 per lead from a cell phone, 27 leads. And desktop, we got 13 leads at $56 lead, so a little bit higher. I'm probably gonna have our team throw a little negative bid adjustment on here just to bring that cost per lead down under 50. But overall, great 30 days. So if you are a house cleaning company or residential maid service, anything like that, and you want us to clone this winning campaign, swap your information in, just click the link in the description below this video and you can apply to work with us. If your territory is not taken, we can only work with so many cleaning companies in certain markets, right? I mean, we obviously can't take everybody. If your market's still available, we can have a conversation about rolling out this campaign for you. It takes about 24 hours and you are live and ready to go and getting leads. So click that link, apply to that. And if you are a agency who has cleaning clients, again, go back through this video, look at my ad groups, pause on the keywords, and build out your ad groups. You guys can do this. Really, anyone can do this. The landing page is the most important part. Just make sure you're A/B testing and trying to always continually improve that conversion rate. We got to get our clients over 20%. So if you're an agency, that should be your goal. Get everyone over 20%. All right, guys, catch you later.